great buy for what it's worth for an airsoft gun. Shoot straight, 100 yards maybe, with if you adjust the hop up right with your scope. It comes with a bipod that is retractable, goes forward, and you can set it up backwards. Also comes off if you want to just carry it around like that. It just clips on. You got your sling. It's better to have it on the left side, keep it out of the way of the bolt. You got your clips underneath you. Each clip holds 30 rounds each. It only shoots 0.2 gram BBs, or airsoft pellets. We got a bunch of those. Clip fits underneath. Slings out too, because it's like that. Came with these two, the gun, the strap, and this speed reloader for $150 on Amazon.com. It did not come with a scope, but it could either come with a scope or come with an extra magazine, which I chose the extra magazine. The pullback on it, 25 pounds of pullback, pretty smooth. You can set it easy or rough to do. Pull up the bolt. Awesome spring inside. Spring system, you can get an upgrade for it at, I don't know, whatever, airsoft stores. Dual trigger for safety, the safety button for safety, and if you hold the bolt up, it won't pull the trigger. Also, the chin rest goes up and down for you to see through your scope if you have a riser on your scope. Then you got your chin rest. It can raise up or down about, I don't know, 2 inches. Could your scope, you know, yeah. You've got a place over here to put your name tag or something, anything you want. We just tried to scratch it out. And then this back stock, it's got a weight in it, like a lead weight. So if you don't want that, make your gun lighter in the back. You can take it out, cut it up, use it for whatever you want. It doesn't matter. You can replace, there's 3 parts with this. I took out one. 3 parts with the stock right here. You have to take it out. It's long bolts in there. But all the Allen wrenches and stuff come with it. And that's about it.
Everything else about this gun is in the description. And y'all should like, comment, and subscribe.